When you're searching for an attorney to represent you in your accident case or your medical malpractice case or wrongful death case, if an attorney says, we're serious attorneys and we only handle serious cases, does that make you feel all warm and fuzzy? Does that give you an understanding of what the attorney does or what type of experience they have? Come join me as I swat away the mosquitoes, as I share with you what this really means, and it gives you an inside look at some of the marketing messages that we see on an everyday basis here in New York. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. We see this on TV all the time. We see it in radio ads, in newspapers, magazines, billboards. You have this phrase, oh, we're serious attorneys. And they stand there with a big mean look and their arms folded and crossed. And now it looks like they're ready to go into battle. And then they say, we only handle serious injury cases. Well, of course, every attorney wants to handle a serious injury case. It's more profitable for them and for their law firm. But why do they do that? What's the purpose of them telling you that they're mean and aggressive and they fight for you? Guess what? These attorneys want to give you, the injured victim, the appearance that they're going to fight for your rights, that they're going to knock out the opposition, that they're going to blast them to the moon. Well, guess what? Every single attorney says the same thing. But now you, as an injured victim, are trying to decide which attorney is right for you. So if all of these attorneys in New York say the same exact thing, does this phrase, does this logic, does this mentality tell you, hey, that lawyer's right for me because he's mean and aggressive and that's the one I want? Don't they all fight for your rights? Don't they all want to handle serious injury cases? And if they all do, how can you distinguish one lawyer from the other? More importantly, you have to ask this question. Does that lawyer or law firm teach me about my particular problem? Do they give me free reports, free books, free videos that teach me how the legal process works? Do they teach you about your particular type of case? Do they explain the legal process to you before you ever pick up the phone to call to make an appointment, before you ever walk into their office? And if they don't, you might want to ask, why not? Are they too mean and aggressive and busy knocking out people in the ring to try and help you before you ever pick up the phone to call? This is just an inside look to help you understand some of these common marketing messages we see on an everyday basis involving attorneys who are trying to attract their ideal clients and consumers. Why? Because they're serious attorneys, because they only handle serious cases. Why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what you need to look for as you're deciding on which attorney is right for you. You know, I realize you're watching this because you're likely considering bringing a lawsuit for your particular problem. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. I'm going to go work out now and work on my cross and my jab and my hook. Because you know why? Because I'm a serious attorney and I only handle serious injury cases. That's it for today's poking fun at this typical marketing message we see, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.